Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be creating this very Slytherin-esque witchy Halloween makeup look. You know, if you have no idea what else to do for Halloween, here's another last minute look for you. And this was really quick, really easy. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I already have my foundation laid out, my eyes are primed, and I did my eyebrows. So we're just gonna jump right into the eyeshadow look. Today, if you couldn't tell by my outfit, we are going to be doing a little witchy last minute Halloween look. So today we're gonna be using the Wizardy and Witchcraft eyeshadow palette from Storybook Cosmetics. I love this eyeshadow palette. It literally is a book, and then you open it. So beautiful. My Harry Potter house is Slytherin, which makes a lot of sense for my personality. So I'm going to be trying to create a very Slytherin makeup look today. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take this darkish, it's like a little green shade here from the NYX Ultimate palette on a fluffy yet flat shader brush, and I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelid. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to use the lighter green color in here. It's a little bit shimmery, but that's alright. And I'm just going to blend that out. Also, I only have that green shade laid down in the front area of my eye. We're just going to build from the inner part of our eyes. So just going to take that lighter green shade and blend over what we just did. And we're blending that up to the eyebrow. Okay, so next we're going to cut out the crease. And we have just a little cut crease on the inner part of our eyes here. I'm going to take this shade from the Wizardy and Witchcraft palette. I'm going to take this shade right here called Potions. It's a really shimmery green shade. And putting it right over that cut crease. I'm gonna go into this gray color right here, and I'm gonna blend that from the outer crease inward. So I just used this gray shade right here called Cloak, and now I'm gonna go into this dark, it's like in between a green and a blue shade. It's got a little shimmer to it. And we're just gonna take that shade and blend it right where the outer third of our eye is into the green shade here. So next I'm going to take this silvery color right here, and this one is called Jinx, and we're just going to put that on the center of our eyelids. So now I'm just going to blend a mixture of the green shade here and then that darker shade right that like darker, it's like a green blue shade, and just run them across my lower lash line. It just started raining, that's cute. So I'm going to take that silver shade Jinx again and just put that on the inner corners. And off camera really quickly, I'm going to do my eyeliner, lashes, and mascara, so we'll be right back. Wow, that only took like half an hour to do. Sorry if I'm being a little bit off in this video, by the way. I'm just so tired and out of it. Like, I had this palette here, and while I was doing my eyelashes, I don't know, I was kind of pressed because I couldn't read this shade. Just, yeah, I came out of hibernation before I made this video. I slept for like at least 10 hours, so I'm kind of just like disoriented, but it's all good. So now I'm just going in with that ColourPop concealer and, you know, doing the concealer thing, you know how it works. And if you are also a Slytherin, I'm sorry if you can hear the rain in the background, but it's honestly so pretty. I have all these trees in front of my window, so it sounds like I'm in a rainforest right now. If you are also a Slytherin, comment a snake in the comment section. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. We're just going to set the concealer with that. And I'm gonna use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Doing that on my cheekbones, my forehead, all the places. You know how it goes. So next is blush. I'm going to take this Morphe blush in the shade Spirit and just run that on top of all the place I put bronzer. For highlight, I thought it'd be fun to take this little Anastasia glow kit in the Aurora glow kit, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I guess it's called Hylia, and it's like a little green highlight. And I'm just gonna put that on pretty much everywhere, all over my face. So for lips, today I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner crayon in nude beige, and I'm just going to overline my lips like I normally do. You know when you fall asleep after taking Benadryl and that sleep just hits different? Now that my lips are aligned, I'm going to take the MAC lipstick in the shade Teddy and run that over my lips. And then over top that, I'm taking the NYX Liquid Lingerie lipstick in Honeymoon. And then this look just would not be complete. Hold on. Oh yes. Hello. This is actually my sun hat, but you know, I think it works for the look. Honestly, happy Halloween, guys. Or if you're just going to universal and you want to show off your, little Slytherin pride. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Give this a like if you liked it, share it with someone. Let me know in the comments if you are a Slytherin or just what house you are in general in Harry Potter. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. That would mean so much to me. It would really help me out. I think that is all I have to say. So I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween, and if you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I'll have all that linked down below. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.